Now, we are going to make a 3D model of this measuring spoon using 3D software called SolidEdge. Solid path. Before doing anything further, I'm just saving the file at a preferred location. As name I'm doing spoon. Starting with, we can see here a dia 15 and 12 mm deep, and it have a wall thickness of 1 mm because it is 15 and here it is 13. So I am going to make a 15 dia and 13 dia and at the depth of 12. For that, I'm using protrusion and to the center. Two circles I'm making using dimensions. Inner I'm dimensioning dia 13. Outer one I'm dimensioning dia 15. Outer and the height as per the sketch, you can see here it is having a 12 mm depth. Going to downwards. Turn them and finish. Further detailing, here you can see 4 mm dia and it have a depth, I think it should be at least 3 mm depth from the top. That is at the location of 25 at the maximum length from here. So keeping this dimensioning and making another sketch using protrusion, same top, circle here as mentioned dia 4, and the location we can calculate from here. 25 from here, this is having a 25, so we are minus 25 minus 1 is dia 4 minus 2 22. Here to the center distance it is 22 and this 15, so plus half of 15, that is 7.5. So this circle to this circle center to center distance 29.5. The dimension is not mentioned, but I think approximately 3 mm that it may have. So return 3 mm is finished. Finish. For further development, we want to keep the spoon or the handle part of the spoon. So that is having here also again there is no dimension mentioned, but approximately you can see when you're checking it is directly going. So I think it will be a 4 mm width for this handle. So that I'm using again top and checking up here there is 1 mm thickness. Using a square as a handle from here to here to here, and this will have a back side R3 one other circle, so that also I'm making it here using circular command to its center. R3 means dia 6. Using curve command, connect to the center that we made. Then we're trimming the extra what are the details what we are not required. So Then the dimensioning I'm giving here 4 and connecting command connect that to the location. So you can see now this tail portion has been completed. Return from the sketch and downward side 1 mm. So we are finished with the scale. But since we have to make the spoon, the bottom portion of the spoon main body, it is still hollow. To close that area, I'm again using a percussion command and selecting the bottom portion of the cup. Then again using a circular command to the center and to the outline. It is matched exactly. Then click and it having a 1 mm fall thickness. 1 mm. We are just typing 1 mm to the top side and click and finish. Now we have the cup. Further checking it having a radius here that I suppose it is we can give approximately a 5 mm radius for fillet on this area. Fillet 5 is defaultly taken. Select search device and click OK and preview finish. Now if you hide the plugins, now we have the measuring cup. Visit values. Save it to a location and again file. Save as changed part documents to STL. Options, check this conversion values, conversion tolerance 0.025 and tolerance unit in millimeters and surface plane angle 45 degree and output file as ASCII. Then click OK. Then click save on the same preferred location. Save.